Oh, we got the tranny out. There was a little bit of pain, but we had a little problem, just like when I was taking out my subframe, it got stuck on one of the ball joints. But hey, just move to the side, and now time to change the clutch. We got a competition 6-plug sprung. Got a new throttle bearing and pressure plate, all competition. Time to take out the other one. His gears wasn't going in. We think it's the pressure plate. We're about to check it out. And I know I didn't record too much. But it's a Type S 2.4, and we're gonna do some pulls after. But let me keep going. And let's change this clutch out. Hopefully it'll be done in the next hour. Pressure plate is coming out. And like I told you before, a little trick, holding the flywheel. And it's almost out. So this is how the pressure plate is. It's definitely got some heat marks. And the clutch is done. It is done. Time for the new one. So the clutch is set. Pressure plate is bolted up. We put some Loctite on it. Now it's time for the tranny to go back in. So I'll see you in a minute or in a second. Right now we put in the battery, the last thing that's giving us trouble. And she is on the ground. Already. So time to go for a ride. Last couple minute bolts. And she's almost done. Just did the finishing touches. Everything is done. Wheels are tight. Axles are tight. Every bolt is tight. Time to clean up and go for a ride. Let's put it stack. Let's go for a ride. Bien.
El coche ahora está bien suavecito, como está ahorita. Como plata de presión es diferente.
Sí. Oh, the gear is going fine. We're about to go for a ride. Before putting in the bumper, make sure everything is good. Job was a success. Está bueno. Ahora sí. Now it's moving.
Esa segunda.
She moving.
Como ese coche, ¿eh?
K24 A3
tipo R, tipo S, una más.
with a Type S pump, and it's moving. Bone stock, just K24 Type S pump, K Pro headers. See, it's moving. Happy customer. New clutch. Car didn't want to grab any gears when it came, and now it's moving. That'll be all for this video. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and we're gonna go for a ride in this.